I have taken the chapter again, voice. What do you mean by voice, students? Like voice means I term it as a verb, like voice means verb. So what is voice now? If you say active voice, active verb. Passive voice, it would be passive verb, students now. Okay, let me just go with one question and see now. Select the option that expresses the given sentence in the active or passive voice now. Well, the invigilator is advising the students not to carry calculators into the examination hall. Find out. This is in the active voice and I want someone to change it into the passive, students now. A, B, C, D. Let me see who can give me the right answer now. Just give me the numbers. Okay, voice chapter, please. Yes. Display the answers, please. Narendra. Narendra has given me answer C. Okay. Wonderful, Narendra. Let me check with you again now. Yes. Anyone else? I just would like to see your answers, please. I mean, your knowledge without disseminating classes. Let me look into your answer, please. Yes. Answers, display the answers. Wonderful, okay. Let me just go through and check and see whether your answer is Anusha has given me C, Narendra, C, Anusha. Is it this question or some other question now? B, yes. Okay, C, B. Yes, right. Let me just check with the question, students now. There are 5 guidelines towards this changing from active to passive voice. Always remember, students now, I am not going to talk all of the guidelines about here now when you are changing from active to passive voice now. You know what is the first guideline? Change the subject into object and object into subject now. So first of all, let me just find out the invigilator is our subject now. Okay. Is advising is the verb now. The students is what we call it as object now. Wonderful. So what did I say? You need to interchange, that's all. What is interchange now? First we have to get the students now. You do find the word students. You do find the word students. Students and students now. All are right. Okay. Now let us see the next one now. The invigilator has to go to the what we call it as the, yes, the object side now. Okay, let me just see that. And the third rule or the guideline states that the main verb will change into V3 now, preceded by an appropriate B form of the verb now. What are B form, students now? Is, am, are, was, were, been. Okay, these are all what we call it as the B form of the verbs, students now. B form of the verbs now. Wonderful. Now, advising will become now advise, advised, and V3 also is advised. I have to get this one now because V3, where is advised now? I find the word advised, 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 advised. In all, I find this word advised now. An appropriate B form of the verb I said now. What do you mean by appropriate B form of the verb now? Let us see now. Now, one of the cardinal rules when you change from active to passive voice is the tense remains unchanged. You cannot change the tense now. So first of all, this is present continuous. Present continuous. And I also have to find only present continuous now. And if I find any, I am going to eliminate now. So I find here were is in the past, students here. Were is in the past. So I am going to eliminate option D now. This is present. Option B also is in the past now. I am going to eliminate this one also. So 2 options are eliminated. And one more option, it is in the present continuous, but you find something what we call it as in the present perfect, students. The decorum of the sentence have to be maintained. Present continuous has to go with the present continuous itself now. So what is left now? The students now plural is, are, being, ing, ing, advised, V3, by the invigilators not to carry calculators into the examination hall. Students, I suppose you see how the techniques are going to really work out. And I think if you can really attend the sessions, definitely you're going to cut a good figure. And here is the last one question, students. Now we can look into that.